Welcome back. I hope you've done your homework and have checked in your music production program how the divisions are working, where the beats and steps are, as well as your tempo indicator and metronome, because we'll use all these later to compose our melodies and rhythms. In the previous class, I mentioned that the most basic divisions are by 4, but there are many more. What tells us how those divisions are made is the time signature. The time signature is represented as two numbers separated by a diagonal line. The number on top or to the left is called the numerator, and the one at the bottom or to the right is the denominator. The most basic time signature is the one we saw before, 4/4. What do each of these numbers mean? Let's start with the number at the top or the number on the left. The numerator will tell you how many beats compose a bar. For example, here we have 4 and 4. What does it mean? It means that this bar contains 4 beats. Let's listen. Let's change the numerator. As we can see, we have the option to choose from 1 to 16. I'll select, for example, 6, and we accept it. There it is. It has changed. We can see the new duration of the bar reflected. As you can see, it's bar 2, bar 3. But notice how the division of beats has changed. Now we have 6 division in each bar. As I said in the previous class, the metronome sounds different on the first beat compared to the rest. This is to indicate that it's the start of a new bar. Let's change the numerator to 9. Now you can see the bar is larger, and only the first one sounds different. Now let's look at the denominator. What does it mean? The denominator will indicate the duration of each of those beats. Here the options to choose are fewer: 2, 4, 8, and 16. Here it's like math, fractions. The larger the number at the bottom, the smaller the fraction. Therefore, it will be perceived as faster. The normal value is 4. If I put the number 2, each beat lasts twice as long. If I put 8, it lasts half as long. And 16 is the shortest duration. What are these different types of divisions for? Although most urban pop electronic music will use the numerator 4 and the denominator 4, there are musical styles that use different time signatures. The most typical example is waltz, which uses a time signature of 3 and 4. In this case, we could put the kick on the first beat and hats on the beat 2 and the beat 3. And of course, you can make other even more exotic divisions, but they are rare or uncommon musical styles. One of the most common questions is whether you can use multiple measures within the same song, and the answer is yes. You can put, for example, 4/4 in most of the song and 3/4 in the bridge, but it's normal for us to stick with the same division throughout the song. It is the easiest way to work. So once again, you have homework. The homework is to research within your music production program where the tools are that will allow you to change the time signature so that when you need this tool, you are not searching for it and you can go directly to modify it. Do your homework and I'll see you in the next lesson.